Top BJP leaders, including the party president, have praised him openly and will today all eyes would be on Narendra Modi as he gears up to address the BJP National Council in the capital. Speculation is rife over Modi taking to the national stage. It has been going on for a few months as the BJP draws out the roadmap for 2014 general elections. Modi's elevation in the party is only appearing inevitable.
It's perhaps a sign of things to come for Narendra Modi. The Gujarat Chief Minister praised endlessly at the BJP's national executive meeting by party president Rajnath Singh.
हम लोग आनंद विभोर हो उठे थे क्योंकि हम लोगों ने लगातार 3 बार किसी एक व्यक्ति के नेतृत्व में सफलता हासिल करते हुए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कभी देखा नहीं था। नरेंद्र भाई को तीसरी बार पुनः मुख्यमंत्री बनाकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इतिहास में एक नया रिकॉर्ड कायम करने का काम किया है।
While the spotlight was firmly on Modi during the party's strategy meeting in the capital, raising the speculation that Modi is fast emerging the first among equals. The allies don't see it that way.
सर, बीजेपी लगातार नरेंद्र मोदी के नाम को लेकर के ऐसी कवायदें चल रही हैं, आपको क्या लगता है?
ये बेकार सवाल है। पहले इसमें कुछ दम थी ना, आज कोई दम नहीं। यानी जो बात तय ही नहीं है संस्थाओं में, उसको आप क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? बीजेपी के लोग भी कह रहे हैं।
The Shiv Sena, which has in the past announced its preference for Sushma Swaraj over Narendra Modi, has reiterated that a final decision on the NDA prime ministerial candidate can only be taken in a meeting with all allies.
कुछ बात हो और बाकी के लोगों ने उनके राह पर चलने की ऐसी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। पहले मैंने कहा है कि एनडीए अगर अपने प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए किसी व्यक्ति का नाम जाहिर करना चाहती है तो सब लोग मिलकर वो तय हो सकता है।
While the clamor for Narendra Modi may be growing louder with each passing day, but it seems it's going to be a tough road ahead for the BJP central leadership to get all the alliance of the NDA on board as far as that one man and one name for the 2014 fight is concerned.
The Congress clearly taking a dig at the BJP.
बेचारे शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी हैं, रमन सिंह जी हैं और उनके बाकी मुख्यमंत्री हैं, शायद बाकी सबको वो लोग बेकार और असहाय से मुख्यमंत्री मानते हैं कि वो एक ही उनके पास व्यक्ति पड़ा है जिसका वो देश में जिसका नाम करना चाहते हैं।
But for now, the Bharatiya Janata Party is reveling in euphoria over Modi.
चाहे अमेरिका दुनिया का सबसे विकसित देश माना जाता है, चाहे वो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज हों, सबने उनके डेवलपमेंट के मॉडल की प्रशंसा की है, उनके गुड गवर्नेंस की प्रशंसा की है।
So unless the allies rebel, is a bigger role on the cards for Narendra Modi ahead of 2014? Is his elevation within the party ranks now inevitable? Your report, Times Now.
All right, our correspondents Abhishek Kapoor and Tavleen Singh are joining us on the top story. Abhishek, I come to you first. Clearly, the spotlight is on Narendra Modi. Modi's keynote address is today, but we also have to remember that it's a tough road ahead for the BJP. Even though his elevation seems inevitable, the NDA allies do need some convincing here.
Well, Rhythm, you know, this strategizing session for the BJP is essentially about chalking out the plan for the 2014 Lok Sabha poll. And if we go by what happened yesterday at this meet, the kind of standing ovation Narendra Modi got, the kind of PM chants that were given in favor of Modi, the kind of praise he got from the President Rajnath Singh and other leaders, it's very clear that road ahead so far as BJP's prime ministerial candidate is concerned, the hints or clues could not have been more clearer than this. In a way, it was a subtle message to allies also that this is what is coming your way. Narendra Modi could be the leader of the BJP as it's visible from this session here. I know across the regions, across the board, the kind of support that Narendra Modi got yesterday, it was not just the top leadership sitting on the dais who wants Narendra Modi now. Perhaps there could be some who don't want, in the top leadership of the BJP who don't want Modi. But then, so far as cadres are concerned, second rung of leadership is concerned, across the board, across the regions, it's Modi all the way. So clearly, I so far as this particular National Council meet of the BJP is concerned, which ends today with a keynote address by Narendra Modi, it has made its mood rather amply clear that for them, Narendra Modi is the chosen one and he should be the one who should lead the campaign for 2014 Lok Sabha polls. Now, so far as Alis are concerned, I have with us Tavleen, who has been watching closely the BJP for some time now, and perhaps she can throw some light as to what is the strategy of the BJP, Tavleen, so far as its Alis are concerned, in case Narendra Modi's elevation happens.
Yes, Abhishek, I think the tough road ahead for BJP primarily will be the allies that the NDA has, particularly the JDU, which has time and again talked about and made their reservations very clear when it comes to the name of Narendra Modi, the Gujarat Chief Minister. And as Abhishek was stating very categorically, now it's almost an endorsement from the BJP central leadership by the way Rajnath Singh had lauded him, hailed him, and made the kind of standing ovation that he got at the National Council. But the big question and the litmus test for the BJP will be to get all the allies on board, whether it's the JDU or Shiv Sena for that matter. Uddhav Thackeray has himself asked for an immediate NDA meeting so that a consensus candidate can be thought of. Because remember, when it comes to, if you talk about the other side, the Congress side, the political analysts feel that they've gone a step ahead by at least elevating Rahul Gandhi, whereas we have the principal opposition party who is right now not sure whether they will, have a candidate at all or will they continue with a non-committal strategy. So today, all eyes will be at that speech, Abhishek, when Narendra Modi addresses the National Council, and definitely it will be kind of a state of the nation at risk. Don't you think so?
Absolutely. The way Narendra Modi has been received here at this National Council meeting of the BJP, it's very clear that he is on the road to, he is in an upswing, and it's almost a fait accompli, so to say, for the Alis. They will have to make a call sooner than later.